Hello dear students, you will see the series of 400 multiple choice questions of science and technology for standard 10th class. Now let us see the 20 multiple choice questions of the chapter Effect of Electric Current. Question number first, the formula of H is equal to I square RT is related with dash dash. Option A, right hand thumb rule. B option, Fleming's left hand rule. C, Joule's law. And D option, Ohm's law. Correct option is that option C, Joule's law. Second question, a solenoid coil used in electric lamp is made up of dash dash metal. Option A, nickel. B option, chromium. C, tungsten. And D, platinum. Correct option is that option C, tungsten. Question number third. The live and neutral wires have potential difference of dash dash A 360 volt, B 110 volt, C 440 volt, and D 220 volt. Correct answer is that option D 220 volt. Question number fourth. Out of the following dash dash instrument shows the heating effect of electric current. A option galvanometer, B electric bell, C electric cooker, and D electric motor. Correct option is that option C electric cooker. Question number fifth. In case of sudden increase in current in the electrical circuit of the house, dash dash the key in this device is opened and the current is switched off. The option is given below. A option MCB, B galvanometer, C electric fuse, and D electric bell. The option A MCB is the correct answer. Question number 6. During short circuit, total current in the circuit is dash dash. Option A increases, B decreases, C do not change, and D increases step by step. Correct answer is that option A increases. Question number 7. A magnetic field produced around a straight current carrying conductor is dash dash. Option A rectangular, B circles crossing each other, C option concentric semicircles, and D option concentric circle. Correct option is that option D concentric circle. Question number 8. The magnetic field formed near the center point of circle coil of an electrically conductive wire is proportional to dash dash. Option A, the amount of current flowing through the coil. B option, with the flow of current. C, with the resistance of the wire. And D, with the radius of the coil. The option A is the correct answer, the amount of current flowing through the coil. Question number 9. The device used to generate electrically is called dash dash. Option A voltmeter, B option ammeter, C generator, and D galvanometer. Option C is the correct answer, generator. Question number 10. In right hand thumb rule, thumb indicates dash dash. A direction of current, B direction of magnetic field, C force on the conductor, and D direction of the induced electric current. Correct answer is that option A direction of current. Question number 11. The properties of the magnetic field of a solenoid are similar to the magnetic field produced by dash dash. Option A horseshoe magnet, B bar magnet, C round magnet, D disc magnet. Correct answer is option D bar magnet. Question number 12. In Fleming's left hand rule, index finger indicates dash dash. A option direction of electric current, B direction of magnetic field, C force on the conductor, and D direction of the induced current. Correct option is that option B direction of magnetic field. Question number 13. In Fleming's left hand rule, middle finger indicates dash dash. Option A direction of induced current, B direction of magnetic field, C force on the conductor, and D direction of electric current. The option D is the correct answer, direction of electric current. Question number 14. In Fleming's right hand rule, thumb indicates dash dash. Option A, direction of the induced current. B, direction of magnetic field. C, motion of a conductor. D, direction of electric current. And correct option is that option C, motion of a conductor. Question number 15. Electromagnetic induction means dash dash. A option, rotation of the coil with the center in electric motor. B, formation of magnetic field due to current passing through the coil. C option, due to relative motion between magnet and the coil, an electric current is generated in the coil. C option, due to relative motion between the magnet and the coil, an electric current is generated in the coil. And D option, charging in good conductor. Option C is the correct answer. Electromagnetic induction means due to relative motion between the magnet and the coil, an electric current is generated in the coil. Question number 16. The principle of electric generator is based on dash dash. A, right hand thumb rule. B, Fleming's left hand rule. C, Fleming's right hand rule. And D, Ohm's law. The option C is the correct answer. Fleming's right hand rule is the principle of electric generator. Question number 17. The principle of electric motor is based on dash dash. A option, right hand thumb rule. B, Fleming's left hand rule. C, Fleming's right hand rule. And D, Ohm's law. Correct answer is that option B, Fleming's left hand rule. Question number 18. The frequency of alternating current in India is dash dash. A, 220 Hz. B, 50 Hz. C, 440 Hz. And D, 120 Hz. Correct option is that option B, 50 Hz. Question number 19. Dash dash flows in one direction. Option A and B are A option, alternating current. B option, direct current. Correct answer is option B, direct current flows in one direction. Question number 20. If the potential difference between the two ends of conductor is 220 volt and current is 5 ampere, what is the resistance of the conductor? Option A, 44 ohm. Option B, 110 ohm. Option C, 4.4 ohm. The options are given below. A option, 44 ohm. B, 110 ohm. C, 4.4 ohm. D, 10 ohm. The correct answer is that option A, 44 ohm. In this way, we have learned 20 multiple choice questions on the chapter Effect of Electric Current. I hope that these 20 questions are helpful for your examination. Thank you.